從前有一隻小狗非常喜歡出去玩，但有一天迷路了。小狗感到非常害怕，不知道該怎麼辦，開始四處走，但路看起來都長得一樣。小狗越來越害怕，開始哭了起來。幸好一個好心的大人看到小狗哭，問他發生了什麼事情。小狗告訴他自己迷路了。大人非常熱心地幫小狗帶找回家的路。他們經過許多地方，小狗看到很多有趣的東西，但現在只想找到家。最後大人帶小狗回到了家，小狗非常高興。從那之後，小狗學會了怎麼走回家，不再迷路了。訂閱分享點讚評論。 Once upon a time, there was a little dog who loved to go out and play, but one day he got lost. The little dog felt very scared and didn't know what to do. He started to walk around, but all the roads looked the same. The little dog became more and more frightened and began to cry. Luckily, a kind adult saw the little dog crying and they scared him. What happened? The little dog told him that he was lost. The adult kindly helped the little dog find his way home. They went through many places, and the little dog saw many interesting things. But he just wanted to find his way back home. Finally, the adult brought the little dog back home, and the little dog was very happy. Since then, the little dog learned how to find his way back home and never got lost again. Subscribe, share, like, comment.